train leaving 11:55. You take the window, I take the aisle. You smile like always, like nothing changed, but every station feels one stop late. No names between us, no questions asked, just borrowed silence that somehow lasts. Outside the city turns into lights, inside this carriage the world feels right. The speakers call another stop, neither of us wants to get off. One more station, one more mile, let's pretend for just a little while. Last train home, don't slow down, keep these tracks spinning around. One more night, one more ride, let tomorrow wait outside. Last train home, please don't end, stay this way just once again. Instead of the past, you almost tell me where you live. I almost ask if this is it. And the brakes sing, doors unlock, another goodbye, another clock. The speakers call another stop, neither of us wants to get off. One more station, one more mile, let's pretend for just a little while. Yesterday, your seat was empty. Tonight, it still is. I ride the line again, again, again. Every station, every night. Waiting, last train home. Don't slow down, keep these tracks turning around. Every seat still holds your name, every journey feels the same. Last train home, if you return you'll find me here where the rails still burn. Last train home, one more ride, even if it's almost